1. Safety training. Roofing is a dangerous job, and professional contractors are equipped to handle any repair. Moreover, these professionals have years of experience and have been undergoing constant training in the industry. They also have the knowledge necessary to fix any kind of roof-related project, whether old or new. That means that you won't have to put up with noise and danger after a repair. 2. Secure with warranties. Secure with warranties. Hiring a roofing contractor is cheaper in the long run. A professional will do the job correctly and minimize the need for repairs. Not only does a good contractor provide a warranty on their work, but he can also get cheaper materials thanks to his relationships with other players. This is a great way to ensure that your roof is in good hands. So, why not hire a contractor? It's time to make an appointment with a contractor. 3. Reliable and dependable. Unlike homeowners, contractors have access to the right equipment and tools to complete the job safely. Contractors use the right tools and equipment to perform their jobs. For instance, a roof repair project should take just a day or two for an experienced contractor and a few weeks for an unskilled person. They are also connected with suppliers of materials, so they can get the material you need quickly and safely. Moreover, you won't have to worry about days of noise and dirt when hiring a contractor. 4. Provide peace of mind. Apart from their expertise and experience, a roofing contractor should also be insured. The cheapest contractor won't have the necessary insurance to protect you in case of an accident. They should have liability and workers' compensation insurance, as it can be hazardous for workers. In addition, a professional will not have to deal with the risk of injury or loss of materials. It's also crucial to ensure that the contractor has the proper safety equipment since these are vital aspects of any roof repair.